Hi, welcome back to the Git course. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do a search in the Gitkraken. There are two ways to do a search in Gitkraken. First is by keyword, and then the second one is by file name. So let me show you the first one. If you see up here, there is a search commit. We can type in a certain keyword, and then it will pull all the commit that's related or that has that keyword either in the title or the description of the commit. For example, I remember I keep using the word text, right? To demonstrate this one, I will search for the word text. And then once I type in the text, it will list out all the commit that has the word text in the title or in the description. If I click on this one, it will highlight that commit. But if you see, the text is actually not in the title, but it is actually in the description. Whatever we put over here, it will get searched on the title or the description of the commit. Now the second way to do the search is by file name. So for example, I am interested in tiramisu file, right? So what I will do is I will select from the latest commit. This is pretty important. I'll explain to you why later on. Do a Control P, and then this box will pop up. Now I can type in whatever file that I want to search on. In this case is tiramisu. So it will list out the file tiramisu. I click on it, and then it will immediately give me the list of all the commit that has the file tiramisu in it, right? It shows over here, this is the first commit. That is when this file is added. This is the description change. Click on it and it'll display that the description is changed. And if you remember, after that we add the serving size and the prep time, right? So that is the commit. If, for example, we want to go to a certain commit, we just click on this one. It will highlight that commit. Now, earlier I mentioned that it's really important to click on here before you do the fuzzy search Control P, because, for example, you want to search a certain commit prior to a certain date. You can click on here. Let's say that you want to void this, right? You're only interested in everything prior to this commit, right? And then when you do Control P, and then you type in tiramisu, for example, click on this one, it will only show you the commit prior to your selection. And in this case, it's only the first commit. If you see, we select this before, it's only going to go down, search down to the commit that has that tiramisu file, which in this case is this, right? That is how you do a search, first by keyword over here, or the second is by pressing Control P and then typing the fuzzy search where you can type in the file name, right? If you have any question, feel free to post it. I'll respond to it as soon as possible.